In this video, let's see how to plot a scatter plot using the graph builder in JMP. To open the graph builder menu, you click on graph and then choose graph builder. In the graph builder menu, you have to choose the x and the y variables and drag it in the x and the y drop zones here. In my case, efficiency is the y variable and concentration is the x variable. So now you can see that the scatter plot has been plotted between efficiency and concentration. Along with the scatter plot, you can see that there is a smoother line. A smoother line is a line that shows the relationship between the x and the y variable. In this case, you can see that efficiency is kind of linearly related to concentration, and you can see that as the concentration increases, efficiency decreases. Now you can remove the smoother line by clicking on the smoother button here, and if you want the smoother back on, you can re-click the button here. Now, let's say you also want to see efficiency as a function of another variable, say temperature. You can plot a scatter plot by simply just dragging temperature from the list of columns there and dropping it in the middle zone over here. This will replace concentration with temperature. Now let's say you want to see both efficiency as a function of temperature and concentration. You can click concentration, and once you drag it here, you can see on the X scale you have three options. If you put it in the center, it's going to replace the existing variable. If you put it on the right, it's going to plot the new plot on the right. And you can also put it on the left, which is going to put the new variable on the left. So now you can see that efficiency is both a function of concentration and temperature, and you can see the respective scatter plots. Let's say you are also interested in looking at the values for concentration and temperature for efficiencies that are over a particular value. You can actually highlight that particular region. Let's say you want to see values for temperature and concentration for efficiencies that are over 88. This can be done by right-clicking on the y-axis and then selecting axis settings. And then in the reference links option, you check allow ranges and then put a minimum value of 88 and then put a maximum value of 100. And here you can choose a required color. Let's say you want light gray, and then you click add and then say OK. So now you can see that efficiencies in the range 88 to 100 have been highlighted in the with the color gray. Once you are done with your plot settings, you can just say done. This gives the scatter plot.